This is a genuine replacement Ariens. You can see the difference in material. This one started to not move in the first gear, both forward and reverse. The higher gears were still moving. The first gear was no longer moving. The cable tension was properly adjusted. I'm going to replace perhaps with this Oregon, which is much more meaty. Look at the difference in material. Even I will compare it with the genuine one. It's clear that the Oregon has more material to it. And be aware that the majority of what you see on eBay, no matter what the seller is selling on the listing, those are fake ones, fake items that will not last long enough. Even this one did not last a lot. Here I have all the wear material, not even 5 years, and it needs replaced because perhaps Ariens is using a much softer rubber. You see how soft it is? It's just soft. It says it's smooth engagement, while this Oregon, it seems to be much harder. I just cannot depress it with my fingernail. It's impossible.